How to connect SmartThings app on floor air conditioner for iOS. Navigate to and open the SmartThings app. On the Devices tab, tap Add, the plus sign, in the top right. Under Samsung Devices, tap Add. Tap Air Conditioner. You will be prompted to scan the QR code located on the floor air conditioner or its packaging. If you can't locate the QR code, tap Add without QR code. The SmartThings app will begin searching for the floor air conditioner. If you can't find your device in the list, tap Can't Find Your Device at the bottom. Tap Floor Air Conditioner. The connection process will begin. If you have the remote control shown on the left, press and hold the wind-free button for at least 5 seconds until AP appears on your air conditioner. If you have the remote control shown on the right, press and hold the timer button for at least 5 seconds. Tap Next, and then tap OK. Next, navigate to and open your phone's settings, and then tap Wi-Fi. Select the network that starts with Floor AC, Samsung Floor ACE 5, Floor ACE 3. If a password is required, enter 5 1s and 5 2s, and then tap Join. Once connected to the network, navigate back to the SmartThings app. Your phone will begin connecting to your floor air conditioner. Make sure your phone is near your floor air conditioner so the devices can connect. You will be prompted to select a Wi-Fi network. Enter the password if needed, and then tap Connect. Once connected to the network, the floor air conditioner will register to SmartThings. The SmartThings app will prompt you when the connection is successful. You can choose the floor air conditioner's location and room, as well as its name. When you are finished, tap Done. You are now able to manage the device's settings. Tap Back. You will now be able to see your floor air conditioner in your device list.